Hello everybody, Laura here. So I have some DIY embellishments that I'm wanting to share with you guys. And these first couple of pictures are the papers that I started to make my DIY embellishments out of. I did the marbling technique with the shaving cream, and I did film that, but whenever I imported the video onto my computer, something went wrong with it, and for the first time ever I actually deleted it off of my phone. Like directly after I imported it. So I never do that, and I did it, and I don't know why, but now I don't have that footage anymore. So I did just put in a couple of pictures of what the pieces look like after I did the shaving cream technique. If you haven't heard of that technique or you're not familiar with it, I'm pretty sure you can type it in on YouTube, or if you guys would like, I could try to do it again because I did enjoy doing it. It was a lot of fun, so I could recreate some pieces and film again if you would like me to. So here I just got in kind of at the end on the DIY embellishments, like how I'm putting them together, and I used different sizes of punches. I used some dies that I had, and there in the video I was kind of showing you the stuff that I've been using. So I just have some different packs of tiny word stickers from Tim Holtz. There's some from the Dollar Tree, Prima, a couple I got from Michael's, so I think Recollections, and then I'm just using like this gold eyelash trim, and I found that at the Dollar Tree, and some black thread. I'm using my tiny attacher to staple them all. And then I think that was all that I showed you. So I'm just putting them together. I had seen a video put up by Inky Quill a few days ago, and it inspired me to go on ahead and create these. I already had the shaving cream because I've seen the shaving cream technique and everything like that before. To do the marbling technique, actually, it's to get a marbling effect, the way to get a marbling effect. So I had already seen that. I had already planned on doing it. I had the shaving cream already. I just hadn't sat down to complete the project. And in Inky Quill's video, you know, she did the DIY embellishments. She just showed the, actually, so if you go to Inky Quill, she did the shaving cream technique, and she didn't actually create the embellishments on camera. She just did the shaving cream part. So if you go look for her video, you will find that footage of her doing the shaving cream. So but anyways, I've been wanting to do some DIY embellishments, and I really love how these turned out. I'm in love with them. I love the really bright colors. I'm glad that I incorporated the gold. And I did put on the eyelash trim and the other little pieces and stuff like that. And here I'm going to start adding a little bit of extra, like black outlining, doodly border kind of thing. My little gel pens were given out on me, so it makes me kind of sad, but those are just some little cheapy gel pens I ordered from AliExpress or eBay or somewhere, and I have more, but yeah, so I've got to find those, because after a while they do have a needlepoint nib on them, but I guess after a while the nib kind of works down a little bit. And this is a feathered gel pen, and I think I found that at the Dollar General a long time ago. But I do end up switching over to a Sharpie pen here in a minute, and I didn't add the black border on all of them. I just added it on some of them, mostly the ones that had black, like the black stickers, or used the black thread with it. And then here in a second I do switch over to use my gold Uniball Signo gel pen. And then still in the end, I didn't really put a border on everything. I didn't go to each one and add stuff. I figure that in the future when I go to use the embellishment, if I think that it needs a little extra, then I will add the borders or whatever I fill later on whenever I actually go to use it on a project. because that would have took me a long time to add doodly border to each individual embellishment. So, but I did take some time to do a couple of them. So I had a lot of fun creating these, and I love, love, love how they turned out. I did put some pictures in the beginning of what they all kind of look like. I have a few of my very favorites, of course, and so I can't wait to start using these on my projects. So yeah, and I know it's been a while since I have uploaded a video. I have went through my craft room. I've done a couple of the D-stash videos if you'd seen those. I went through my craft room. I reorganized everything. I bought one of those 9-cube shelves from Walmart, and I got a couple of the little rolling carts. And so I just went through and I've went and organized everything in my craft space, got it all how I want it, making sure that I can be able to find everything that I need. And then I may do a like small craft room tour, kind of just like an overview. I don't know that if I'll go like super in depth on it. But I figured I would show it just because, you know, I put a lot of work in it. It took me a couple of days to do it, and I kind of just want to show. I'm proud of how my space has came out, so I know that it hasn't been requested or anything like that, but I figured I would just show it because I am proud of my accomplishment of organizing my craft space. So we are coming to the end of the video, and I just want to thank you all for watching, and I hope you have enjoyed this video. Be sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I will talk to you later. Bye.